if we have to go down to the vat here in a minute, so that means Debbie's got to leave. So do you want to give her a flash or two before we leave on the machine here? Just so you can say goodbye? A 4-light flash. He's saying goodbye
Oh
to
my
you,
gosh,
Debbie.
bye. Oh, I don't want to go. You want to come with me?
Be careful on that.
Ah! He
No,
doesn't want to come.
No, and I have to say this so that people can say, whenever you're ghost hunting and you say, do you want to come with me? They do.
They do?
They sometimes follow you home, so don't
Okay.
sit.
Uh-oh.
Got to make clear, you're staying here. This is your house. Debbie's going back to her house, okay? Okay, we getting clear on that one? All right. Just so we're clear, and thank you for making it 5 so that you know.
Thank you very much. Was that to tell me yes, that you're staying?
Yes. He understands.
Oh my gosh, I love you!